Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nesara Gowda. Those who are new to my channel, here I'll be uploading your weekly, monthly love career prediction based on your sun, moon and rising sign. This video is going to be for Capricorn, sun, moon and rising sign for the whole month of the July. So this is going to be general reading, so it might or might not resonate with every single person who watches it. So if it does resonate with you, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to take a look at your past, present and future situation. I'm going to clarify some of the cards for you, end up the video pulling some advice for Capricorn. So in the recent past, we have the Magician, we have the Three of Cups, we have the King of Wands. In the present, we have the Nine of Cups, we have the Page of Pentacles, we have the Hierophant. In the future, we have the Two of Swords, the Devil, here you are, the Justice. So the challenge for the week is the Eight of Cups. Challenge for the week for many of you Capricorn is like disconnecting from a situation, from a person, from a relationship which you really feel it's not serving you anything good. If there is some toxicity attached to that person or attached to that relationship, so now the time is to move on from this connection, from this person, towards somewhere where you really feel happy, where you really feel there is comfortness, where you really feel you can be. Okay, so I'm going to clarify the challenge in a moment. In the recent past, there's a Magician, there's a Three of Cups, there is the King of Wands. There was some reconciliation, or someone from the back could have come in the recent past. Capricorn, there was some reconciliation. You guys were manifesting this person. You really wanted the connection with this person in the recent past. You could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Sagittarius or a Leo. Whoever this is, could be chances are like you are finally like looking towards your future with this person. You took a chance to actually explore with this person, with this relationship. Okay, so we're going to clarify it. In the present, we have the Nine of Cups, there is the Page of Pentacles, there is the Hierophant. The present situation is, it's like you are looking through what you want, you're looking through your happiness, your wishes, your satisfaction. That's why you are offering to someone in the present situation. You could be offering you a new opportunity, or you are really looking towards starting something with the person in the present situation. I see there is a commitment going on with you and your partner in the present situation. You're really thinking of taking this relationship to a commitment level. Okay, in the future, there's a Two of Swords, there is the Devil, there is the Justice. So it could be you or your partner in the future who is thinking like, this situation, this relationship, this person is having some toxicity, this person is not good for me, this person could be bad for me, or I don't feel myself being with that in this relationship, because they want some justice. Okay, they might be in confusion, they are taking some decisions. I'm going to clarify what's really happening in the future. First, I'm going to clarify the challenge for the week, the Eight of Cups. Many of you are disconnecting from this person. This could be you or this could be your partner, because you feel there is no more serving you. This kind of no more serving you. Okay, Capricorn. So the Eight of Cups is clarified by the King of Pentacles. There is the Queen of Cups. There is the Eight of Wands. Okay, I feel you're going to you're leaving a situation, leaving a connection where you really don't feel like there is some emotional connection or there is some potential with this person in this relationship. You are really letting it go and moving towards somewhere you really feel there is some potential, there is some emotional bondage. That could be chances of a new person, or maybe you're really deciding on yourself, because this relationship, whomever you are with, that is no more serving you. That is why I see everything is happening very fast. There is some communication going to happen with you and your partner. That is why leading you to move on from this connection towards something where you feel there is a lot more potential, a lot more stability than this connection. We're gonna clarify the Magician. You guys were taking action towards what you wish for in the recent past. Capricorn. So the Magician is clarified by the Tower, the Queen of Wands, the Ace of Swords. I see in the recent past you were communicating with your partner. It's like you're getting some clarity. What happened between you and your partner? What led you guys to have some major breakup? Okay, you could be dealing with a Sagittarius, Leo, or Aries. Something happened between you and your partner which wasn't clear. You had some confusions in your mind. Finally, in the recent past, I can see you are getting some clarity about your connection with this person. Okay, there's a chances of you reconciling with this person. Okay, there was a reconciliation happened between you and your partner in the recent past. In the present situation, I'm going to clarify the Nine of Cups. Someone is looking after what they want, what they wish for. They're being somewhat selfish in the present situation with this connection. They are acting towards what they want. Someone is being very selfish here. They were in the past also. The Nine of Cups is clarified by the Eight of Cups. There's a death, very clear. The World, very clear. Capricorn. You're ending some situation and offering to someone else. Looking towards somewhere else, okay, because you feel this connection whomever you're with in the present situation, this is no more serving you. You are ending the situation, killing it, literally ending the situation with this person. It's a very clear reading, okay. Because you might have some other plans in your life which is giving you a lot of stability, a lot of potential. You might having some more options to deal with your life. In the present situation, there's a Hierophant. I'm going to clarify it. You might be having some else commitment. You might be dealing with your own career. You are like thinking more towards your career. You really don't want to actually think about this person. The Hierophant is clarified by the Knight of Pentacles. There is the Six of Cups, the Judgment. Whoever it is in the present situation you're with, there's a chances you moving towards your ex, because you're going to realize something about your ex. That is what I saw in the recent past. You're getting some clarity about your past situation. If you're in relationship with someone other than your ex, there's a chances you moving towards your past connection, past memories, because it's like you're getting to know some realization about happened between you and that person you were in relationship with. Because of that, I see you are disconnecting. You feel that there is something else that is giving you in the recent past, giving you a lot of potential, a lot of happiness than this connection. I feel you are, cutting the connection with this present person. That's the challenge is all about. Okay. There's in the future, someone is deciding between two options. Someone is having confusion in their mind. Someone is dealing with the cloud mind. I'm going to clarify the Two of Swords for you. The Two of Swords is clarified by the Three of Swords, the Seven of Cups. There is the Ten of Swords. Very clear reading for Capricorn. It's like you are deciding between should I have to leave this connection or should I have to move on, because this connection, you might be having someone in this connection having a lot more options. This could be you or your person. They're kind of breaking up the situation. In the present situation, they're breaking up, they're ending it. Though this is giving them a lot of pain, giving someone in this connection a lot of pain, they're not worried because they are like, I want this, I want. They're being toxic. At this very present moment, they're like, I want my happiness. My happiness is important. My stability is important. They're being selfish in the present moment. There is some justice you're going to get in this relationship. Some also feel they're disconnecting in the present moment. They feel this person is not serving me, or this relationship is not for me. There is something is lacking. It's like an attachment. It was like an addiction relationship connection. It wasn't like an emotional connection for some of them. That's why they're disconnecting in the present moment, in the future, sorry. There's some justice you're going to get regarding this confusion. So the justice is clarified by the Three of Pentacles. There is the Four of Swords. There is the Seven of Pentacles. So for many of you, a Capricorn, if this is not you disconnecting with this person, if this is your person who is breaking your heart and moving towards else, I see you really want to work out the situation. Okay, because you are going through a lot of pain. You might chances of you're going through healing. Someone in the future is going through a lot of healing. Okay, that is why they couldn't work out the situation. Someone is still waiting in the future. They didn't get the justice here. Okay, there's a chances that they just wanted to disconnect, they just wanted to heal, they just work out on something else. Someone is being very sad here, someone is waiting in the future. You are letting someone to wait, and you guys are moving on and working on what you want. Someone is going to disconnect in the future because they feel they have some more options, some more potential offers in their life. They feel like this connection is literally draining them. This connection is literally being toxic to them. That's why this person is ready to work out with something else. They're like deeply thinking about it, and they're investing on something else. They feel that is the right thing. Okay, that's a challenge for the week for many of you. If this is not serving you, communicate with them and really go towards somewhere where there is potential, where there is more emotional bondage. Capricorn, you're looking towards stability in your life. That's what you always look towards. If this is not serving you, then you're going towards that position. So the advice for the Capricorn for the month is, confidence is your key to success. Whatever this is, you can start afresh. Give it a fresh start to your life, but be sure what you want. Be in confidence. Where are you acting upon? You should know what are you doing. Whatever this is, if this is for your good, then you can do, but do it confidently. Don't just change for what others think, because you're your first priority, right? So whatever this is, don't lose your confidence. There might be right, you're taking some right decision, so don't lose your confidence. That is all I have for the Capricorn people. If you guys like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Please do subscribe to my channel. You guys can also follow me on Instagram. The ID link will be in the description. I shall see you all in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.